धीरे धीरे रहीमन धीरे सब कुछ होए, धीरे धीरे रहीमन धीरे सब कुछ होए, और माली सींचे सौ घड़ा ऋतुआए फल होए. Welcome to Biology Pathshala. Today's class is dedicated to a new announcement for the new course and a new experience. So basically, this is a special date to announce a new course. So I decided to open a new course at the online basis of at my class that is a Biology Pathshala. So basically, 24 April is a special date to announce. So basically, I want to say something that is this two course is a very useful for all students for the special subject and the field of biology. Basically, we can say that. So this course is a very useful. One course is dedicated for the NEET 11th and 12th as well as the UG level. As much as possible, I do to content and explain it. So basically, first course is dedicated for the NEET aspirants. So, and the second most important and the prominent course is a PG level course, and this is dedicated MSc specialization subject, and that is ichthyology and the applied fishery. So this is a two specific course, and I announce today to this is open on at Monday regular basis classes, and 4 days is dedicated for the NEET aspirant and 2 days is dedicated for the PG level student. So basically, two courses are released now. Now I want to share that what is the timing of these two courses. So basically, I want to say for the NEET aspirants or a NEET student, 4 days is dedicated, that is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday for the NEET aspirants. So I will start it from the 11th and 12th basis NEET questions. So my some students suggested to me, please ma'am explain both the language as English and the Hindi. So I will try my best. Firstly, I thought that I decided to share in a English language, fluent English language, because someone says to me ki that is very important to explain in English, but it is a very major problem to understand the UP board Hindi medium student. How can they understand the concept of biology basically? So I want to decide it, or basically both the language I will explain, and want to give my 100% to explain it basically, first of all. And the second most prominent thing is second course is always in both language, and especially in a fluent English language. Why? Because MSc or APG level is always in a English language. So I will try to understand all the basic concept of ichthyology and the applied fishery in the both language, and I will explain in a Hindi as well as the English language. So both students can join and understand the basic concept of specialization subject of MSc. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is dedicated for the NEET aspirant, and we can say that last 2 days is that is Friday and Saturday. Okay, Friday and Saturday is dedicated for the applied fishery and ichthyology. So two paper are specialization who are kept this option, that is applied fisheries and ichthyology. So basically, I will start it with the applied fisheries. Okay, this is a fourth paper. Okay, so I have if I have content for this, proper notes and proper many things for this two courses specialization with the NEET aspirants and we can say that PG level student. So this is the announcement. Okay, if you have any problems, so tell me. Okay, both languages are openly and open for you and welcome for the NEET aspirants students, or we can say that, and the second most is the PG level students. So basically two courses released now, and this content maybe I started from the Monday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the NEET aspirant, and as well as we can say that Friday and Saturday is dedicated for the class of PG level. So basically I am ready to explain all the basic concept of biology, all the basic fundamental fact with my some specific formulas, some specific teaching method, traditional teaching method, and as well as the modern teaching method. I am ready to explain, and my I give a very 100% to understand to all students. If you have any problem, then tell me. So thanks to all students to join us, and I am ready to explain and spread the knowledge of biology. Keep join us, and I must say the first thing is अब होगी नीट बायोलॉजी की तैयारी जागृति पटेल के साथ, एंड अब होगी स्पेशलाइजेशन इक्थियोलॉजी एंड अप्लाइड फिशरीज की तैयारी जागृति पटेल के साथ. सो थैंक्स टू ऑल स्टूडेंट. प्रणाम.